I read along there. We have another crystal. And a seagull shit right on the a full-blown hit.
Look at all them. I think they're vultures. I'm not sure. This place is packed with them. I don't think how they're coming in the camera.
Hey, there's a message. Hi, guys.
Look at all them. Holy cow. There's so many of them. I don't know what I can get or not because I got a glare in my eyes. I can't see them.
What are they?
Look like eagles, maybe bald eagles, maybe vultures. I'm taping them. I mean, there's tons of them.
Right there's one right there.
They're all over right there. I got it as close as I can zoom in, but I don't have my glasses, so I can't see if I'm actually videoing them or not. I'm getting some of them. I gotta be getting some of them. Now it's 3 o'clock in the morning, in the afternoon, you can see the moon. So I just watch. I've never seen that many before. I've seen some, but not like that. Well, oh, it's quite a hurricane ridge in Yuma, Arizona. We're just doing a test to see if we got a microphone on here. See if it stops some of that wind noise that we're getting. I'll show you a little bit of the mountains. So there, maybe you already seen the birds earlier. We got a horseshoe pit there and a little get-together thing if people ever get off their ass and want to do something. But that's all we're doing right now, just sitting here. And I'm waiting for blind views to come on so you can watch this podcast. That was the old beater. We just came back from town doing some shopping. Well, I hope you enjoy this little short video. Bye, y'all. This is AB Roadrunners saying goodbye. Make a comment, subscribe, or whatever you want to do. We don't care. We're not monetized. We can care less if we're monetized or not. So I'm just showing you some pictures. That's about it. Here, let me be close up in the mountains. My friends the donkeys haven't come out yet. Okay, that's all for now. Have a good day.